This is a bura soba, a traditional Japanese brothless ramen you can make faster than instant noodles. You can prepare the ingredients in the time it takes to boil a pot of water. So start heating up the water and let's prepare the ingredients. Cut 3 slices of kamaboko. Traditionally char siu is used, but char siu takes hours and I promised faster than instant noodles, so we are using this instead. Next, cut 2 slices of Narutomaki. With its distinctive pink spiral, it will give the dish that classic ramen look. Next, thinly slice the scallions. They add freshness and a little sharpness to balance the rich pork fat and soy-based sauce. Take a large sheet of nori and fold it in half a few times, pressing down firmly on each crease so it breaks into smaller pieces. Stack them, slice them into thin strips, and that's our garnish. Or if you are feeling lazy, just throw the whole sheet into the bowl. The next ingredient is menma. If you already have some, you can skip ahead to the next timestamp, but since some of you may only be able to find plain bamboo shoots, I'll show you how to quickly braise them so they taste like menma. If you only have plain bamboo shoots, prepare this ingredient first before the others. In a bowl, add 150 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, half a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, then give the mixture a stir. To braise the bamboo shoots, add them to a lightly oiled pan over medium-high heat. Pour in the braising mixture, then braise for at least 5 minutes. To make the tare, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili oil, half a teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of lard directly to the serving bowl, then stir everything together. The lard won't melt completely yet, it will finish melting when we add the hot noodles later. Next, an optional but highly recommended ingredient is to grate in 1 clove of garlic. Give the tare another stir so the garlic is evenly mixed through. By the time you've prepared all the ingredients, the water should be at a rolling boil. Add the ramen noodles and cook them until the water returns to a boil. This should only take about a minute. Once the water returns to a boil, remove the pot from the stove. Add a small splash of the hot water to the tare and stir to loosen the sauce. Then add the noodles. The heat from the water and noodles will melt the lard, so mix everything thoroughly until the noodles are evenly coated in the tare. Finally, top the ramen with all the prepared ingredients. For the egg, you can use either a ramen egg or a raw egg yolk. Both are traditionally accurate options. Just remember that a ramen egg needs to be prepared in advance. I won't cover that here as there are already plenty of tutorials online. Faster than instant noodles and bursting with tons of umami. Something so simple, yet the ingredients and seasonings harmonize well. The kamaboko adds another layer of flavor, and the scallions provides a freshness to the heavy umami. The bamboo shoots adds a satisfying crunch, giving the dish another texture alongside the soft noodles and tender toppings.